Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let's see how to solve this given question. Here we are given that a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2 and we need to show this. Okay, for that I'm going to write the given condition a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2. I'm going to begin with my LHS. What I'm going to do is I'm going to group the first two terms. I'm going to group the first two terms like this. If you are familiar, there is a formula known as cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. And in place of c and d, I have 2a and 2b. So this is nothing but 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2 and 2 cos into cos 2a minus 2b by 2. Why? Because this is the reason. Okay. In place of c and d, there is 2a and 2b. I just applied the formula, nothing else. Now this 2 would get cancelled, and here also the 2 would get cancelled overall. Ultimately, I'm left out with 2 cos a plus b into cos a minus b plus cos 2c. Okay. Now, since a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2, a plus b I can write it as 3 pi by 2 minus c, 3 pi by 2 minus c. So that's why here you're able to see this a plus b, right? In place of that, I'm going to write it as 3 pi by 2 minus c. Okay, so this will be nothing but 2 cos 3 pi by 2 minus c, and that's the only change. Now, cos 3 pi by 2 minus c, cos 3 pi by 2 minus c, it is nothing but minus sine c. It's nothing but minus sine c. That's why you see in place of this there is and there's a minus sign also at the beginning. Again, don't forget to mention the reason. It carries marks. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this 1 to the front and write these two terms side by side. Now, in these two terms, I'm going to take minus 2 sin c common. I'm going to take minus 2 sin c common. If I'll take minus 2 sin c common, in the first there is left out, I'm left out with cos of a minus b, and here I'm left out with plus sin c because minus 2 sin c I have taken common. Now now I want to write this c in terms of a and b. How can I do that? If you remember, a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2. So c I can write it as 3 pi by 2 minus of a plus b. Okay, so that's why I wrote c as 3 pi by 2 minus of a plus b. That's the only change. Again, the reason is mentioned at the bottom. Please don't forget to mention it. Carries marks. What is sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta? What is sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta? It's actually minus cos theta. So this I'd get minus cos of a plus b, this entire thing. So that's why I'd get this. Now, cos of a minus b minus cos a plus b is nothing but 2 sin a sin b. It's nothing but 2 sin a sin b. Don't forget to mention the reason. So you're almost done, right? Now just multiply 2 and 2 and then rearrange the terms. I have 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Okay, that's it. Thank you for staying with me until now. Not just this question, I made many more questions related to trigonometry. You can find the link for the entire playlist in the description. And if you like this video solution, please hit the like button. And if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please subscribe to it. Once again, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher.